Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm doing an unbagging of Macy's Clinique Spring Free Gift. So I got this little guy in the mail and I was like, what? Look at all of your options for your Macy's free gift. Way more options than we're used to. And then there's also a photo on the back. I had a VIP, so I got to go get my gift early. But the regular free gift is running from March 26th through April 10th, 2018 at Macy's stores. And the first thing you get to pick is either a green or a pink makeup bag. So I of course went with the pink. And I love this design. A lot of times I feel like Nordstrom's free gifts have a lot nicer makeup bag designs, but this is adorable. Bright pink with the little flowers with the green dots, so cute. So this is your good sized makeup bag that you often get with your free gift. Then you also get this little guy that matches, which who doesn't like a matching little bag? Am I right, ladies? How cute is this? This is just adorable. And you could fit not much in here, but you could fit maybe your like license or business cards, or I don't know what you put in here, but I do think it's adorable. So if you spend $28, you will get to pick either the green or the pink, and you will get to pick either the Spring Refresh 5-piece mix or a Cult Classics 5-piece mix. I picked the Spring Refresh 5-piece mix. And the reason I did that is because it comes with an eyeliner, and I use a lot of eyeliner, and I really like Clinique eyeliner. It does come with a high impact custom black kajal liner, which I've used and I love. So this is a super dark black liner. It's a twist up, it's soft, easy to apply, very black, doesn't really move around a lot, so great liner. There's a swatch of the liner, and you also get a brand new lipstick that I've never seen before in a Clinique free gift. It's Plum Pop. Really pretty color. It looks like very wearable for every day. And look at how pretty that color is. It's a mauve-y plum. It's not very dark, but it's gorgeous. It has a nice sheen to it. You also get a Pore Refining Solutions charcoal mask. I've never tried that, so that should be fun. Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharge Concentrate. Never tried this either, and I think that my skin could use this as of late, so that should be good. And a Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, which I've never tried this either, and I've heard people absolutely rave about it. So what I'm loving about the 5-piece Spring Refresh mix is that you're getting new products. You're getting things that are really useful, like the black liner, and at least for me personally, things that I'd really like to try. That is what you can get if you just spend the $28. Now, they tempt you at the bottom here. If you spend $55, you can actually do a Bright Eyes Duo, which is a quad eyeshadow and a mascara, or you can do a lipstick, which I don't know what color that is, and a 7-day scrub. The store I went to on the first day I could go as a VIP, and I picked the Bright Eyes Duo, but they didn't have it in yet, so they're just gonna send it to me. But it does look similar to things I've gotten in other Clinique free gifts. It's your basic browns. You know, useful, but if you're not gonna use it, you can always give it away to someone. If you spend $75, which I had to do to get this gorgeous tote. This tote is big. Like, this is a nice and big tote. Like, I mean, I don't actually know how big it is, but it's a nice big tote. I love the style. I just think it's super cute. It's nice and big so that you can fit it over your arm comfortably. 2 long straps, and it's white inside. I just feel like who can't use another tote, especially when it's this cute for spring. So in my opinion, Macy's and Clinique have just hit a home run with this free gift this time. Like, I love that the upgrade options go all the way up to get this really fun tote. I don't know that like I would have upgraded to do just that Bright Eyes duo, but I definitely wanted the tote. Even if you do not go for the tote bag, I feel like the regular free gift this time is really, really nice. So in order to spend the $75, I went ahead and got 2 of the Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pens because these are so easy to use. They give a gorgeous black line. You can do a cat eye with it. I love this product, so I will use that up. I also got another bottom lash mascara because I've been using this more and more, and I really like it to get your bottom lashes on without as much chance of messing up your eye makeup. It's just easier to use because it has a super, super tiny brush. The other item I purchased is the High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara. I've used this before, and I like Clinique mascara because I do tend to have, you know, sensitive eyes, sensitive skin, and it doesn't bother me. For me, I like mascara that's just like as much lashes as I can get as possible. Lashes. And I got that in extreme black. The blacker the better when it comes to mascara. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the free gift from Macy's this season. Let me know if you plan to head out and get one, and if so, what you're going to purchase. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy makeup shopping. It's one of my favorites. Please subscribe for more makeup tutorials and product reviews. I would love to have you around, and I will see you next time.